Jump out of the beamer with the 16, yeah. Bust it in her face till the clip clean, yeah. Pussy wall get him head fixing, yeah. You think the Mac level fire whipped cream?
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And Govana drop a hot song on the big baller rhythm. Big baller, call me Benzema. But no, I know I don't hear a Govana. And the track is entitled Hombre. So what we are going to know? We are going to review it, Hombre. Yes, see me. Me I tell you, that song is bad. But stay tuned for the official review. While you're at it, if it's the first time watching, just hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime me review videos like these, you're going to be the first to know.
Yo, cheers. Who give them gun Hombre?
True, me touch road clean every time. Some say me boss, some say me hype. But me not no reason for hype. But no man. Watch on my name and send man ad video represent for Chaddy TV, you know what I mean? You know want the latest views, reviews, news. Check him out, YouTube, and see me I said, baddest thing, maddest thing. You hear that? Ad video represent.
So we all know say Govana one bad piece of artist, you see me? But from the other day, Govana has been giving us be a girl tune. I just girl tune. And the people them did a thought the last time them released Shrimp Patty, like the people them did a say, yo, them want to hear something grimy. But guess what? The people them talk and Govana answer. Because me know said nobody no want to hear nothing more grimy than this. Yo, the man a talk about straight murdering, the man a talk about straight killing. Yo, when they hear them tune, you have to caution, you know, because they see anybody will listen to them tune and not really exposed to them thing, they will just mash out all about face. But people are lyrics, remember. Our lyrics, keep it lyrical, you see me? So we are going to kick it off like this.
More money, more gun, more shot. Glock 35 with the chrome top. Knock it till me see a guy roll back. Me say with the bomber, him a clear heavy roadblock. I'm on murder on the friend, I wanna know that. Pussy, well I wanna know that. I mean murder on the friend, I wanna know that. Yo, wanna feel like.
Don't me the telling the set. If you no bad, when you listen to that song, you I go get bad. The man say, yo, what me murder on a friend, I wanna know that. So not try though. You feel like say you can't come defend it. Forward come try defend it now, and them a bust off your head too. Had that Govana say no me I say them thing there. You see me? For your intro alone, that make you anticipate what the body of the song is all about. For your intro was so grimy. Yo, people a long time when I hear no gun tune like grimy tune like them tune, you know. Because I come like say everybody in a dance hall now, like them want on the business in a gospel. Me no know. Nobody no want bust off, nobody head, everybody afraid. But Govana say, him not afraid. Him a do a bad gun tune for the thugs them because everybody come like say him figure the thugs them. But people, wanna notice how Govana said the party, knock it till me see a guy roll back. Oh, the man a deal with it, so man. Yo, make we see the chorus, how him have to say.
Jump out of the beamer with the 16, yeah. Bust it in her face till the clip clean, yeah. Pussy wall get him head fixing, yeah. You think the Mac level fire whipped cream? No boy no give me chatting on my system, yeah. Splash out your brain from the windscreen, yeah. ATC hammer built in. Ras, we are till the bass mixing.
Alright, so me notice say Govana argue about the same style. Yeah. Love it for your shrimp patty. Yeah. You see me? But he mix it in a one gun style. You see me? I the same style, but me don't know that one is bad. Probably I chew him just a flow upon the rhythm. And the flow kind of slick a bit different. But yo, that song is bad. You see it? Me don't know. But in kind of deal with it grimy, but yet still in full of theatrics. You see me? In full of simile, metaphors and all these things. Oh, either splash out and what got them thing there yo more here. So, make we go in at the first verse.
No, see but this man have to keep clean, yeah. 40 me talking on me rip jeans, yeah. I get it and go drop out to Christine there. Christine send Miss Jean the pic, see him there.
So the man I say, yo, no nasty badness. You see me? Feel badness clean. Him still bad, you know, but him clean. Him not still like some so-called bad man where them broke and hungry. Them every time you see them in a one little wash out marina. And one jeans will look like say, yo, if it stop wear from 2000 millennium. You see me? Govana never upon that. Govana upon some clean thing. Govana upon some cha-cha boy thing. You see me? And then the man I say, boy get it and go drop out where Christine there. Christine send Miss Jean the pic see him there. Oh, bad. Dog, where you find a line there, where you find a flow there. You get it? So, yo, the boy in clap one in a boy, you see me? And him go so booms and drop out right at Christine foot. But before him drop out, when Christine see him a battle for life and a gap and a... You know what Christine do? Christine really take out her phone and take a pic and send it to Miss Jean. See it there? Hombre, Govana. Me not tell a lie, yo, it's shot.
I be a gunman, live a big tree, yeah. Put a strap on the cane, make it swing freely. Yeah. Clipping on your mouth, make a lip lean, way. Black bass, rubber matic, make it thing wheelie.
So the man say I be a bad people forward from Big Tree. You see me? And Big Tree I one section in a Spanish town where literally I be a bad people forward from them place there. And if you never know, the song is entitled Hombre. You see me? And you see a Spanish town people normally say Hombre. Everybody we forward from Jamaica or forward from Spanish town or know how Spanish town running go. Yo, all of the man them over there, them like them all say yo forward no Hombre. I just that a for them talk, you see me? Hombre. And even in a Snapchat, me see when you do a Spanish town and you post a pic Hombre forward underneath it, you see me? But anyway, me feel like said that song ya I dedicate to the Spanish town bad man them. And remember, you know, a Spanish town Gova come from.
Yo, GS, who give them gun Hombre? Rasclat, one more funeral Sunday. Squeeze it in and as a ugly. Pussy even get a chance to run with. Squeeze it in a face, squeeze it in a face. 40 in a haze, skin a blaze. Every gun me own come straight from the state. Get the shots by the case, but me vex it them waist.
John Star, I saw that song ya bad, I saw the chorus bad. The man say every gun him own forward straight from the states, you see me? So him now boss, none of them one pop there. Where the welder man well, you see me? Everything I come Chris and new. You see me? People, if you don't like that song, you just click the like button, man. And tell me about the song if you don't like it so far. Tell me in the comment section. But for me, the song a go on. You see me? The song hot.
Me a the kingpin in a the show. Gun back, you can't send big enough for pro. No. We send people go live under the earth. Like, how enough for them a live in a me flow.
The man say gun bag you can't send big enough a pro. Him a professional. You a amateur. You have a forward with a professional. Somebody if you try test him. And you still know say Govy a go win. But the part we get serious now when the man say yo, he must send them to live under the earth. Like oh enough of them are living in flow. So Governor, who are living in your flow now? Who they shot the fire for? People wanna tell me in the comment section. Me no know.
Pussy on the think man a street fighter. Rifle a blow like the pea piper. Turn on the tree or tree viper. Rearrange your mouth make a teeth wider. Boy nightly the 90 me sleep cider. In a bush for my belly like a re-sniper. Pussy can't trip me with the peace neither. Peace treat it, only peace beat it. Yo, cheers.
And then right there, so no found never did know say appear in pay tribute to Idonia when him say boom 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 boom. Yo people, you remember that song there? This sound a gun shot a hot up back the place again. Rise up every matic, box a shot with Ghana case of play. If you know is a real JOP fan, you know that song there. So when you want to do, just comment the name in the comment section, you see me? So people tell me what you think about this song, but for me, this song grimy. All the part where the man say yo, he might give you a shot and rearrange your teeth them. They say you go Governor. John Star. But as what me say, tell me the favorite line in the song. Which part of the song? I found a part in the song. But for me, I like bad. So it's your boy DJ Chaddy. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, if it's the first time watching, thanks for watching a review on the Chaddy Murray TV. And as so we do it over here, we do reviews like these almost every day. Or I should have said every day. So we do it over here. You see me? So just kindly hit that subscribe button and then turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you're gonna be the first to know. You can follow me on Instagram too. Yeah, me up on Instagram. And that's how me do most of the communication and all these things. If you have a song where you want me review, just shoot it over Instagram. The Instagram name is at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. But wait there, me just realize I'm telling you already. I don't know still, I can't tell you 2 times. So people, I hit that for me. Don't forget, hit that like button as well. I'm out.
See them gun Hombre, rascal, what more funeral Sunday? Squeeze it till it as a ugly. Pussy even get a chance to run away. Squeeze it in a face, squeeze it in a face. 40 in a haze, skin a blaze. Every gun me own come straight from the state. Get the shots by the case, but me vex if them waste.
Joe me touch road clean every time. Some say me boss, some say me hype. But me not no reason for hype. But no man. Watching my name and man ad video represent for Chaddy TV, you know what I mean? You know want the latest views, reviews, news. Check him out, YouTube, and see what I said. What this thing, you hear that? Ad represent.